Hi everyone, I'm Yana Smakula and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another simple one-layer Christmas card idea to share featuring coloring with a shimmer pen. Recently I've been looking into simple ways to color images, and I shared a video showing how to color images using a single white pen. I also made a few cards and colored them using Nuvo drops. That video is only available on my IGTV account, it's not here on YouTube. For today's video, I wanted to explore another simple and quick way to add color to outline images, and I decided I would use my Shimmer Pen. Now, we won't be necessarily adding color to the images, not technically coloring them in a traditional sense way, but we will use Shimmer Pen to highlight these images and help them pop off the background. Here, I'm stamping images from the new ornamental stamp set by Kathy Zelski from Simon Says Stamp, from the fun and festive release on a piece of island blue cardstock. This is a super fun holiday stamp set with modern imagery and sentiments that allow you to create Christmas ornaments. My idea here is to have a sentiment on my card and surround it with pretty ornaments. Each ornament is going to be different, with a different pattern or a different sentiment. And this stamp set offers a number of options to decorate the ornaments. You have several sentiments and several images that all fit inside that one ornament image. I love stamp sets like this with lots of versatility to them and clever and modern designs. And by the way, you can always use these sentiments in these images on their own without putting them inside the ornament. I'm going to cover this with antique gold embossing powder and move on to stamping the ornaments around each of the inserts. You can stamp each ornament first and then stamp the inserts, but I found it to be much easier and also faster to stamp the inserts all at once and then stamp the ornaments one by one. You just need to make sure to leave enough room in between the inserts to be able to fit the ornament image later. I'm going to heat set all of this at once to melt the powder. Whenever I have a ton of images on the background that I want to heat emboss, I try to use my heat tool just once. This helps to reduce the amount of warping I have happening on my cardstock. Next, I'm going to do some ink blending. This is my latest favorite thing to do, and here I'm using Deep Sea by Simon Says Stamp as my mid color and Navy by Hero Arts as my dark color. I'm going for an ombre ink blended look, and I will keep the bottom of my panel the way it is. So that's going to be my lightest color, and then Deep Sea, medium blue, and Navy, darkest blue. I really love doing these ombre ink blended backgrounds lately. They are simple to make, but they look very beautiful. I also used a black ink pad and added just a hint of black at the very top to darken that even more. These inks, once dry, will look a little lighter, so I always try to go as dark as possible just because I love bold and dramatic colors on my cards. Time to color. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using a shimmer pen to color each ornament. I'm simply adding a generous amount of shimmer onto each image, and I'm doing so twice to have as much shimmer as possible. You can totally color these using markers, watercolors, or anything else that you like to use. I wanted to try alternative ways and alternative mediums to color, so I've been exploring other things I could color with. Once the shimmer was dry, I adhered my panel onto an A2 white side-folding card base, and I also added several Nuvo drops in red and white to add a pop of color to this holiday card. I love the way it turned out. I actually kept my stamps in the Misty tool because I plan to mass produce this card design. I love it that much. You can also try and do this in a different color. You can go with red and add really deep red ink blending at the top. You can go with pink, teal, even green would look stunning here. I hope you will give this idea a try using these or other stamps from your stash. If you do, remember to share online and tag me on social media. I always love seeing what you guys are making. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done so, and check the bell icon to be notified every time there's a new video or post on my community page. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!